Hi, I'm Gary from New Again. We've been making cars like New Again for over 30 years. Spillages, and do I claim on my insurance? Well, sometimes it's not obvious how long it's going to take and what you have to do to fix the problem. I'll give you an example. You could have spilled a tin of paint, half of it's gone on the seats and gone on the spilt over onto the carpets, and it's not until you take it apart that you realise there's a computer box underneath the seat that's got paint on that needs replacing. So when you start initially, you could think, well, it's just a clean up, and you know, maybe it's going to involve getting the seat out and shampooing and pulling out that water and pulling out that paint with lots and lots of water, and then you realise that actually it's turning out to be more than you thought. So what we suggest is, sometimes it's just going to be an out-and-out insurance claim, you know, and some insurance companies contact us and got a spillage and it's a big job, and you can see it's obvious. We had a call the other day from a guy that the paint had hit the back of his seat, had an accident, and well, he hit the brakes, and the paint went and hit the back seat and went all over his dashboard, into the grille, everywhere, all behind his head, all down the seats and everything. You know, it was already drying. By the time he's found us, it's drying on the dashboard. We've advised the chap, it's a newish car, accept the fact that you may lose the car for a few weeks, so you may want to make a decision based on whether you've got an insurance courtesy car, because if you do claim and you haven't got that, then you may well find that you've lost the car for a number of weeks, because to deal with it can take a little bit longer. But other times it could be just a spillage and it's on a footwell area, and you think, well, I don't really want to claim if I don't have to. So what we advise you to do, give the insurance company a quick ring, say, hi, I don't want to make a claim right now, I think I might be able to handle it myself, however, can I call you if I need you? And most insurance companies will say, yeah, okay, we'll make a note of it, see if you can deal with it yourself, and then give us a call, and then if you need to. That way then, you've got that buffer then. If you come here, you might be driving here from, I don't know, 25-30 miles, and you don't really know where you're going to go with it. You can come here, you can give us the car with the wet towels on it, and you've covered up the paint or whatever it is, and then you've decided to get a train home, and then we can video what we're doing and show you what's happened and what we found, and then, you know, let's just say that it's going to the area where you know, you can afford to pay for it, then great, you know, you don't want to make the claim. But let's say we lift up the carpet and we get the thing apart, and then there's a bit on the back of a headrest, and it's all going to be more expensive. You can call the insurance company back and say, look, I think I need to make a claim, is that okay? At that point, insurance companies normally would call us and take over, but I can't speak for every individual insurance company, but most of the time they'll call us and say, look, you've got one of our customers there. They may even take it away from us, but sometimes they don't. Sometimes they'll just say, we'll send an assessor out, we'll have a look at what you're talking about, and then we go from there.
I hope this was of use to you, and if it was, if you could just press the like button, and that may help somebody else find it. Also, there's links to our website on the description below.